Welcome back. In this part of the lesson, we're going to write a sketch that sends binary data to a shift register and displays it one step at a time. Each time through the loop, we'll add 1 to the LED's variable and send that new binary value to the shift register, lighting up a new LED in sequence. We'll also use a serial monitor to print the current binary value, so we can see exactly what's being sent. Let's get started by creating variables for the 3 pins we're using on the Arduino UNO: latch pin, data pin, and clock pin. This program also needs a short delay. Let's start with 1 second, and later we can adjust it to speed up or slow down the output. Next, we'll create a byte variable called LEDs and set it to 0B00000000. This binary value represents the state of all 8 LEDs. Right now, all of them are off. In the setup function, set the mode for each pin variable to output. Then use serial.begin 9600 to start serial communication at a baud rate of 9600. In the loop function, start by setting latch pin to low. Then use shiftOut data pin, clock pin, LSB first LEDs to send the binary value stored in the LEDs variable to the shift register. LSB first means the least significant bit is sent first. After that, set latch pin to high and add a delay. This next line of code adds 1 to the LEDs variable each time the loop runs, increasing the binary value and lighting up the next LED in sequence. Let's add some serial.print lines to display both the binary value and the regular decimal Arabic number in the serial monitor. This helps us understand how the number is changing each time the loop runs. Verify the sketch. What's this? An error. Don't panic. It looks like I forgot a semicolon. I'll fix that now. And try again. Okay, compile with no syntax errors. Now I can upload. In the serial monitor, we can see the count increasing 1 step at a time, along with its binary representation. The LEDs in the circuit light up to match that binary count. Great work! You just created a binary counter using a shift register and visualize it with LEDs and the serial monitor. If you have any questions, contact your instructor or click the chat button on the screen. See you in the next lesson.